Hey peeps, happy Thursday. I'm not here today, so obviously you're watching the video. Today we're gonna work on the relationship of complementary and linear pair. Okay, so you will need a calculator today, so pause the video, go get a calculator if you don't have one already. Okay, so complementary. Okay, first of all, linear pair, you're going to hear me say it because I'm going to say it on accident because I'm old school, but this is also called supplementary. Okay, linear pair is also another word for it is supplementary. So we got complementary and supplementary, which is why I like supplementary because then they just rhyme, kind of. Okay, so complementary and supplementary. Complementary look like two angles that are next to each other, okay, and they split to equal 90 degrees. And I'm going to draw this a different color. So we have this angle. We know that it's at 90 degrees because it'll have that little square, and they're split somewhere in here. Okay, we have A and B. And between A plus B equals 90 degrees. That means it's complementary. Okay, supplementary is when we have an angle and between the two angles equal 180 degrees. So this is 180 degrees. So maybe you have A and B like that, okay? And so that's the difference between the two, 90 or 180, okay? And so we can look at them, and those are only two options. So ignore the vertical and the stuff that we learned yesterday, adjacent, okay? Today we're just doing, is it complementary or is it supplementary? Linear pair, sorry. Okay, and so if you write linear pair or the S for supplementary, either one is fine. So if we look at number one, does A and B make a straight line or like, I don't know, what do you want to call that, a square or something? Okay, and so we know that this one, this front page, we're just naming it. So this one is going to be linear pair, or you can say it's supplementary, which is the same thing. Okay, this is going to be linear. Okay, they add up to be a straight line. Okay, 3, is that linear pair or is that complementary? Okay, this one is going to be a linear pair. Okay, 5, again, first of all, you can see the square, okay, as well as it's a lot smaller than this giant one. So this one is going to be a complementary. Okay, A plus B equals 90 degrees. Okay, 7 is going to be a linear pair or supplementary. Okay, number 9. Okay. So number 9 is a little bit trickier. Okay, so if we split, a straight line is 180, okay? If you split that straight down the middle, that means that 90 plus 90 equals 180, which is complementary. So if you notice that there's a red box on this side, that means there's also a red box on this side. So that is going to make this one complementary. Okay. Flip the page. Okay, so 11. On the back side, we're going to actually deal with the numbers. So first of all, complementary is 90. Supplementary or linear pair is 180. So first of all, if this side is got a red square, that means that this side also has a red square. Okay, so first of all, is that complementary or a linear pair? Okay, well, it's complementary, so that means that the total is going to be 90. So we're going to start with the 90. Well, out of the 90, we already know that this one is 64. So you're going to say minus 64. So 90 minus 64 is going to be 26. So that means that B here is 26 degrees. Okay, B here is 26 degrees. Okay, 13. So, and again, we filled in, they filled in the A and we have the B. So between A and B, we can see that that's going to be supplementary or a linear pair. And a linear pair equals 180 degrees. Okay, well, out of the 180, we know that A is 102. And so you're going to subtract the 2. So 180 minus 102 is going to be 78. So 78 degrees. And that's going to go here for the B. Okay, 15, we can see between the two of these, so between this one and this one, okay, that's gonna be, linear pair or supplementary, so 180 minus 56 degrees. Okay, and that's gonna give you 124 degrees, so that goes here. Okay, 17, we can see that that is gonna be a linear pair, so you're gonna say 180. You're gonna start with 180 degrees, and we know that one of the angles is 157. So it's gonna be 23 degrees. That's gonna go here. Okay, 19, we can see between the two, between A, which is 153, and the B, okay, we're gonna say 180. 180 degrees minus 153 degrees. That's gonna give you 27 degrees. That's gonna be here at the B. Okay, you guys have 10 to do on your own. Go through and get your 10 done. When you complete your 10, you're done for the day. Sit there quietly, behave. Okay, and I will see you tomorrow.